Hi everyone, we are about to feature another Barbados Trust Fund Limited client who has been chasing his dreams. We're going to learn all about Churn Homemade Ice-cream. Follow me. So I'm here with Ramon, a young entrepreneur. I want you to tell me what caused you to get into the ice cream making business.
So basically, we just had purchased an ice cream machine in 2020, and I had it for a while, and then obviously COVID hit, and then it was had a lot of free time on my hands, and then it just started to make ice cream. That was basically it.
Tell me, what has been your marketing plan and marketing game for you to make Churn Homemade Ice Cream or take it into the homes of people in Barbados?
So basically, we use social media as our more direct form of marketing. So we use Instagram. Specifically, the sponsored posts. We use sponsored posts a lot in our marketing as well. Then we also have our customers do word of mouth. So that has been quite tremendous for us as well. And we appreciate our customers for that as well.
What advice would you give to future entrepreneurs?
So future entrepreneurs, I would suggest that you stick with it.
Tell us about some of your most popular flavors.
All right, so right now we have at least 30 plus flavors. We do both dairy and dairy free as well. As I said, super premium dairy ice cream and dairy free ice cream. So we have Biscoff cookie butter birthday cake, which you're enjoying right now. We have the coffee, we have dairy free coffee, dairy free peppermint stick, mocha. We have quite a few flavors to choose from for everybody.
So there you have it. We have featured another Barbados Trust Fund Limited client who has been chasing his dreams. Now, if you are an entrepreneur or a future entrepreneur and you want to turn that idea into reality, you know where you need to go, the Barbados Trust Fund Limited. Until next time, here is to chasing your dreams.